First shut down the machine and power off. Then remove the decorative and cooling sheet metal. Remove the U-shaped glass tube and protect it well. Be careful not to break it. Next, remove the mixing chamber. There are 4 set screws in total. During this time it can be removed the chimney. Avoid being unable to fix the screws. Rinse the mixing chamber with water and baking soda. Then use a wrench to remove the stirring blade and tube. If it is not possible to unscrew the tube by hand, use a tool to insert them into the holes in the tube. After cleaning, install the tube and stirring blade back. The hole in the center of the stirring blade is to hold it under the wand. Take care to align the holes underneath the stirring blade and straight tube before securing. Finally, secure the stirring chamber back in place.